Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an amazing DIY project. We all have a broken electric kettle lying around, useless and ready for the trash. The base isn't working properly, and it's essentially useless in its current state. But we can definitely salvage the good parts. I will mark the main body of the kettle and place a roll of thick masking tape next to it. Using a marker, I'm going to draw a line all the way around the lower section. Resting the pen on the tape gives me a perfect straight horizontal guide for cutting. Next, putting on my safety gloves, I'm using an angle grinder to carefully cut along the line I just marked. I'm separating the bottom heating base from the rest of the tall jug. This bottom part is what contains the valuable heating element we need. The cut edges of the metal are very sharp and dangerous, so I'm taking a metal file and thoroughly smoothing down the entire rim. It's crucial to remove any metal burrs to prevent accidental cuts later on when we are using our new device. Now, I'll use a piece of sandpaper to scrub the entire rim clean. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Then, I'll wipe away the dirt with a cloth. Now let's work with the handle. I'm taking the handle apart to remove the plastic casing. Inside, there's the old switch mechanism and wiring. I'm spraying a little bit of WD-40 to clean up the contacts and the inside of the handle, then wiping it completely dry. I will reinstall the switch to keep it neat and safe. I can screw the handle back onto our metal pot. This will give us a secure and safe way to hold our new mini boiler without touching the hot metal. Turning it over, I'm unscrewing the bottom plate to access the heating element's internal wiring. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm going to cut the old complex wires from the central connector. We are going to bypass this old connection system to hardwire it directly. I'll clean the plastic bottom cover using a cloth and some WD-40 to remove any built-up grime. Next, I need a way for our new power cable to enter the base. I'm drilling a hole directly into the side of the plastic bottom cover. I'm taking a brand new heavy-duty power cord and threading it through the hole I just drilled. Then, I'll use my soldering iron to tin the exposed copper wires. This ensures a strong and highly conductive electrical connection. To ensure safety and prevent short circuits, I'm slipping heat shrink tubing over the connections. I'm connecting the live wires from our new power cord directly to the two main terminals of the heating element, twisting them tightly. I'm using a lighter to shrink the tubing and securely seal everything up. Proper insulation is absolutely critical when working with electricity near water. With the wiring securely insulated, I can carefully tuck everything inside and screw the bottom plastic cover back into place. Now our DIY mini boiler is fully assembled and safe to use. Let's test it out. I'm pouring some fresh water into our new, compact pot. And I'll carefully place a few raw eggs inside. Then, I'll plug our new power cord directly into the socket. Watch how quickly the water starts to boil. The modified cooker operates extremely quickly and efficiently. The water is at a rolling boil, cooking our eggs perfectly. I'll just unplug it when they are done. I'll take the eggs out. Let's peel one and see. Look at that, a perfectly hard-boiled egg. Our useless broken kettle is now a fantastic compact egg boiler. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.